In this video, we'll show you how to remove, install, and clean your FuelBay nutrition and hydration. First, be sure to locate the security bolt located on the underside of the top tube. Neither FuelBay nutrition nor hydration storage units can be removed from the frame without removal of the bolt. Remove the bolt with a 4mm Allen key or bit on the included torque wrench and set bolt aside. First, remove the hydration bottle by grabbing the small plastic tabs and pulling up. Next, remove the nutrition storage by pinching the middle so that the metal tabs release, then pull the storage out of the frame. To clean the bottle and nutrition storage units, use a thin, long brush with dish soap. To clean the straw, use a long pipe cleaner brush with water and soap. Rinse with water until there is no more soap. You can find reservoir cleaning brush kits at any outdoor store or online. Do not wash any FuelBay item in the dishwasher. To install, first place the nutrition storage back in place and pull the rubber to fit around the metal tabs in the middle. Then place the hydration bottle back in the frame by pushing it into place until it is snug. Reinstall the security bolt in the bottom of the top tube and tighten to 1 Nm.